Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain here hydrocarbons. What is the definition? What are the types of hydrocarbons? It's important for 11 science chemistry. First of all, what is the hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbon means containing hydrogen and carbon, means compound which contain carbon and hydrogen as the only elements are called as hydrocarbon. For example, alkane, alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic compounds like benzene. These are the hydrocarbons, means compound which contain carbon and hydrogen as the only elements are called as hydrocarbon. Then classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into two main types, open chain, aliphatic and cyclic hydrocarbon. Cyclic means in the cycle form, means cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. Open chain means it's the open chain compound. Aliphatic or aromatic. Then open chain compounds are also classified into saturated hydrocarbon, saturated and unsaturated, and cyclic is also classified into saturated and unsaturated. Means saturated in that alkanes, means saturated means carbon-carbon single bond, and unsaturated means carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Means alkene contain carbon-carbon double bond and alkynes contain carbon-carbon triple bond, means it's an unsaturated compound, and saturated means carbon-carbon single bond. Then cyclic form saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbon in the cyclic form. For example, it's a cyclopropane. Cyclopropane saturated means carbon-carbon single bond, 3 carbon atoms are present, 1, 2 and 3, means it's a propane, and in the cyclic form therefore it is called as cyclopropane. Then unsaturated means it's a cyclobutene, means carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. It's a cyclobutene, means saturated. Cyclic hydrocarbons are also classified into saturated and unsaturated. Simply saturated means carbon-carbon single bond and unsaturated means carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. The next point, saturated alkanes means saturated open chain saturated hydrocarbons are classified into straight chain alkanes or straight chain hydrocarbons or branch chain hydrocarbons. Straight chain means in the straight chain form. It's a straight chain, or branch chain means carbon, carbon, carbon in branch form. Means saturated means carbon-carbon single bond. Here is also single bond, carbon-carbon single bond, straight chain and branch chain. Then unsaturated, cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into aromatic and non-aromatic. For example, in aromatic form means, for example, benzene, and non-aromatic means cyclohexane. It's a non-aromatic compound and it's aromatic compound. Unsaturated carbon-carbon double bond. Here is also carbon-carbon double bond, but it's a non-aromatic compound. The next point, unsaturated open chain unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into straight chain and branch chain. Straight chain carbon-carbon unsaturated hydrocarbon, therefore carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond in the straight form. Then branch chain means carbon-carbon double bond, then carbon, carbon, carbon and carbon. It's a branch chain hydrocarbon. This is the classification of hydrocarbon. It's a very simple way to understand the classification of hydrocarbons. Means first of all, open chain hydrocarbon, open chain and cyclic. Means two are the opposite. Open chain means it's a chain form and cyclic means in the cyclic form. Open chain hydrocarbon classified into saturated, unsaturated. It is also classified into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then saturated is classified into straight chain and branch chain. Then unsaturated is classified into aromatic and non-aromatic. Then unsaturated open chain unsaturated hydrocarbon is classified into straight chain and branch chain hydrocarbon. Then next, in hydrocarbon, first is alkane. Alkane, what is the meaning of alkane? Alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond. It is called as alkane. Alkanes are aliphatic saturated means carbon-carbon single bond, hydrocarbon means hydrogen and carbon is present. Then containing carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single bond, carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single bond, single covalent bond. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. See, N means number of carbon atoms. N means number of carbon atoms. See the example, for example, N is equal, if we take here N is equal to 1, C1 H2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to C1 H2 into 1, 2 plus 2, 4. CH4 means it's a methane. Then if we take here N is equal to 2, means C2H2 into 2. 2 into 2 means Cn. N is number of carbon atoms. Therefore 2 plus 2 means C2, 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6 means C2H6. It's a ethane. Same. Examples of alkanes are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, then hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. Means methane means 1 carbon atom, ethane 2 carbon atoms, propane 3 carbon atoms, butane 4, pentane 5, hexane 6 carbon atoms, then heptane 7 carbon atoms and octane 8 carbon atoms and nonane 9 and decane 10 carbon atoms are present. These are the alkanes. Then second, alkenes. The meaning of alkene. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond, means carbon-carbon double bond. It's a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, carbon-carbon double bond containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. For example, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. It's a propene, means containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. It is alkene. Then the general formula of alkene is CnH2n. The alkane's general formula CnH2n plus 2. Then alkene's general formula CnH2n. Only Cn and H2n. But N is equal to 2, 3, 4, not 1. See, N is equal to 2. Then C2H2 into 2 is equal to C2H4. C2H4 means it's ethene. CH2 double bond CH2. 2 plus 2 4 carbon atoms and 1 plus 1 2 carbon atoms. It's a ethene. Then if we take here N is equal to 3, then C3H2 into 3, C3 2 into 3 6. H6, it's a propene, means CH3, CH double bond, CH2 means 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6 means 6 hydrogen atoms and 3 carbon atoms 1, 2 and 3. These are the ethene. Like butene means 1 butene, 2 butene, pentene, heptene, hexene means 6 carbon atoms hexene, 7 carbon atoms heptene and 8 carbon atoms octene, nonene and decene. Then next, alkynes. Alkynes are aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. It is also unsaturated hydrocarbon because carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond, but here alkynes means carbon-carbon triple bond. See the example, CnH2n-2. It's a general formula of alkynes. If we take here n is equal to 2, here is also n is equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. C n is equal to 2 means 2 H2 into n is also 2 minus 2 C2 H2 into 2 4 minus 2 2 means it's the acetylene. The structure of acetylene HC triple bond CH means 2 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. It's acetylene. If we take here n is equal to 3, then C3H2 into 3 minus 2. C3 3 into 2 6 minus 2 4. Then 6 minus 2 4. Then CH3 C triple bond CH. It's propyne. Propyne means 3 carbon atoms, hydrogen atoms 3 plus 1 4 and carbon atoms 1 2 and 3. It's a propyne. It's a general CnH2n-2. It's a general formula of alkyne. Then next is aromatic hydrocarbons. For example, benzene. It's an aromatic hydrocarbon. Then phenol, cumene, then anisole, etc. These are the aromatic hydrocarbon. These are the hydrocarbons. I explained here hydrocarbons, classification of hydrocarbons, then types of hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkynes, alkenes and benzene. If you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.